Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this violet, I don't even know what to call it. It was really purple, but in this lighting it looks more blue than purple. But I'm going to show you all how I achieved this color. This is a 613 26-inch wig from Curly hair. So I'm going to link the hair in the description box. I'm going to show you all how I curled and customized this wig, all of that, from start to finish. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'm feeling myself a little bit, you all like. Y'all, I've been kind of scared of color, but this is my first time ever getting like a 26, like this long with color, and it looks, okay, it's pretty cute. But where was I hope y'all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Once again, I'm going to link this hair in the description box. And let's go ahead and get into this video. So first things first, we're going to watercolor this hair, but before we do, we need to protect that lace, even that excess lace. We're going to spray Got To Be Glue freeze spray on it, and I'm going to do 3 different layers. So 1 layer, blow dry, spray again, blow dry, spray again, blow dry, and then we can finally get to the watercolor part. This part is so important. Please do it, you all. Like, please protect that lace like your life depends on it, period. So I had so many colors, but I only ended up using 2 purple rages from Adore and 2 African violets. Now the African violet took it over the edge. It added just a slight blueness to it, but I think that's why the hair ended up so electric. So African violet is the way to go. So I'm going to be watercoloring in one of these like tin pans. You see that little glue stuck in there, but I'm going to pour a boiled water in there. It's hot, you all. It's not steaming hot, but it's hot. Too hot for me to touch the pot almost, but it's hot, you all. So I'm going in with the African violet. I'm opening the bottle and I'm just going to dump it in there. You all know how this works. And if you don't, we're just dumping it in there. So I'm going to just stir it up with whatever's near me, try to get out all the dye I can, putting it in the water, then pouring it out to kind of like get any kind of dye stuck in the bottle. And we just want to use every last drop. So that's what you'll see me doing here. So next, I'm going to pop open the purple rage bottle and do the exact same thing. We're just dumping it in there, trying to get every last drop out. We want this hair to be so concentrated. So you all are going to see I'm going to do the paper towel test and all that, but we just want as much color as possible. We want to go crazy. I didn't have a spoon or anything, so I just decided to stir using my little rat tail comb. Stir it up, you all. Any kind of clumps of dye, you want it to all be even. At this point, the water is so dark because I have so many colors in there that I can barely see, but just make sure you stir. So this is the paper towel test. That's the color my hair would be at the current state of things. I liked it, but I was like, you know what? Let's crank this up. So I ended up adding just a dab of lavender. So as of right now, there's 1 African violet in there, 1 purple rage, and just a little bit of violet. Go ahead and stir all that up, you all. Stir it up. You all see that water looks so concentrated. Do the paper towel test again. That's what we get. It looks pretty good. It looks about the same as before, but it looks good. At this point, I was ready to get this hair wet, get this hair purple. So you all see, I'm kind of dipping the tips in there, looking at it a little bit. So that's the color I'm getting. I see that. And then I'm like, is this enough? Is what I'm thinking. I'm looking at the tips. I'm like, will this be enough? You all, this is a process. Just go for what you want. If it doesn't look right, add another bottle. And that's what you'll see me doing here. So it just wasn't giving enough. So I went in with another African violet, and I'm gonna put all of this in there. So at this point, it's 2 African violets, 1 purple rage, and just a little bit of lavender. So let's say half a bottle of lavender. Stir that up because we don't want any weird clumps. Stir it, stir it, stir it. And I felt like it was really ready now. So at that point, I was like, yeah, it's time. It's all trial and error. If you are dipping it in there and you don't like the way it looks, add another bottle. You all see now this is very concentrated, and this is just giving exactly what you saw on my head at the beginning of this video. It's giving you all. So I do recommend wearing gloves. I'm going to completely submerge this wig in the water, and I'm not going to worry about that lace for a second because we already protected it. It's so important. 3 layers, blow dry completely, you all. So it should be kind of hard towards the end. But also try not to get any of the Got To Be Glue freeze spray on the roots, because that always looks kind of weird to me, because the roots will be kind of protected and they won't get as dark as the rest of the hair. So if you have to hit the roots with a little water afterwards, do that after you spray the Got To Be Glue freeze spray, so you can make sure it takes the color. So I do recommend gloves. So I put it on kinda. I just wanted to completely get that wig in there. You may want to lift it up, put it down, lift it up, put it down, to make sure you just have the hair, like every strand of the hair is covered. So I let the wig sit for 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes later. I'm checking on the hair. When you lift the hair up, you should see that water is a little bit lighter than before. That's how you know all the dye is now on the hair. So that's what you should be seeing, you all. And y'all see the lace looks good. The purple you're seeing is just like the bubbles from the water. But once I rinse off this wig, you're not gonna see any purple. So y'all, it's giving now. It is giving. I'm just going to put conditioner in the hair with like my little Bio Silk conditioner. And that's really all I'm gonna do. Make sure you rinse the hair until the water runs clear. So this is the conditioner I'm going to use. It's absolutely the best. All the YouTube girlies use it that I see. All the TikTok YouTube girlies that I watch use it. So yeah, this is the one you need. Get it from Amazon or Burlington. But you all see the lace looks good. This is when it's dry. It's no kind of, well, it's a little purple on the corner, but that's going to be cut off. But other than that, you don't see any kind of purple on the lace where it matters. So firstly, I'm going to brush the wig and get any tangles out or anything like that. We're going to hit the wig with a little water because I don't like plucking my wigs when they're dry. So I won't rip the lace or anything like that. But you all see that lace is clean. But yeah, let's just get the wig wet. So I'm just going to part like not even an inch, but you all see it's just a little tiny piece all across the hairline. Well, really I work in sections, but I'm going to pluck behind this section, get it wet because we don't want to rip the lace, and it's just way easier and faster. So you all see I'm pulling backwards, so towards the rest of the wig at the front, and then eventually you will see me like work into the hair, so not exactly like at the front where I parted it, but you all will see me like plucking in the middle to kind of create like some different variations of thickness. So on the side, especially at the temples, we keep it thin, but when we get to the middle, we want it thicker. Plucking is so important on all wigs, but especially these colorful ones, because if you don't, it's just gonna look very Party City. It's going to come very Party City. So just take your time. And now I brought the hair back, and that's when I really start plucking into the wig and not just at the front. So I wanted to show you all a little before and after action. So you all see the side I did, and this is the side I didn't do yet. So you all see the difference plucking really can make. It makes or breaks a wig, 100%. So I knew I kind of wanted a middle part, so I'm going to pluck into the part. You see the beginning is already plucked a little bit, but I'm going to pluck into the part to make it just wider. Not too wide, you all, but make it wider. because a thin part on a colorful one is just disastrous to me. So now I'm going in with my Ebin lace tint, and we're just gonna spray it all over the lace to just add a more skin tone like finish to the lace before we install it. Okay, y'all, this is crazy. So, like always, I'm going to cut little slits at each temple. I was really kind of putting this video like off, but then when I saw Bia and Nikki with their colorful wigs, I was like, you know what, Brittany, you gotta put on your wig, period. I'm nervous, but we'll see how this turns out. I like to cut off my lace before I actually glue, like, it's just easier for me like this, in my opinion. And I didn't show it on the video, but after you spray the lace tint on, make sure you blow dry it and get that lace tint dry. I'm going to cut it, like, spray it between the cutoffs. Going to go ahead and spray this side down with my Got To Be Glue freeze spray. Like, it looks kind of crazy right now, but we're gonna get it together. It's a little dark. Let me, like, Bia looked like a cute little elf, and that's how I'm looking right now. So we got one side done. Let's move on to this side, and then we'll do the middle last. I'm just gonna skip it because y'all just saw me do this side. Okay, y'all, so now we are in the middle section. Going to go ahead and cut it off with my eyebrow razor. Be careful not to cut your forehead because I've done that before with this thing. Okay, so it's on, it's on. This is crazy. I feel like it needs a little more plucking right there. Make sure you're holding the lace down so you don't pull the lace up. Okay, I'm gonna add a little baby hair. Of course, I gotta do my little temples. I love a nice little temple baby hair. Okay. Okay, so firstly, I feel like we need some layers. Gonna bring the hair to the front, but like y'all, it's really cute. It's cute. Take a little piece up front like this, and just frame the face a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put my little balm on it. This is the Luster Slick Stick. We're gonna go ahead and mold the hair how we want it to be right before we hot comb it. Get that middle part defined and all of that. It was on my comb and my comb melted on it. Okay, and it's already coming together, you all. Kind of cute. I look kind of cute. So we're going to start one curling it now. You all kind of already know how I do this. This is a lot of hair, so I'm just gonna speed through. You all know I kind of section the hair in like equal parts, like maybe in 3 sections in the back and then doing each side. But I'm just gonna one curl it like I usually do all my other wigs. Look how pretty that curl looks. That's gorgeous. Look at this color. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it with a little hairspray. Okay, let's mousse it in place. This is kind of giving, you all. Okay. Okay, let's go back to my room. Okay, you all, we are done. I look like a mean girl on some of those cartoons. Like, they always make them have like blue or purple hair. Like with this light, my hair looks blue, but it's actually purple. Let me see. Let me put it up here so y'all can really see. This is the finished look, you all. This is interesting, you all. I like it. I've always been scared of pink, but I kind of want to see me with some pink. Once again, this wig is by Curlyme. This is a 26-inch wig. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what other color you all want to see me in. How we feeling this African Violet Purple Rage wig. Okay, it turned out really, really cute. A little updo one day or something. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm feeling myself just a little bit. Just a little bit, you all. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. I'm going to link the wig in the description box. Have a great day, you all. I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys.